spotlight on Zimbabwe. The SADC Summit has brought Zimbabwe under intense international scrutiny. Human rights organizations are closely monitoring the situation, and international media outlets are reporting on the political climate and potential human rights violations. The international community is deeply concerned about Zimbabwe's human rights record, with calls for the government to ensure the safety of protesters and respect freedom of assembly. The summit provides a platform for international pressure. Zimbabwe, eager to improve its international standing, will be sensitive to criticism from the global community. International attention can influence the Zimbabwean government's actions, encouraging restraint by law enforcement agencies. However, excessive pressure can also backfire, potentially leading to a defensive response from the government. The international community's role is crucial, as it must balance its concerns with the need for constructive engagement. Section 5. The Summit's Aftermath. The SADC Summit in Zimbabwe represents a pivotal moment for the nation. The summit's outcome will have significant implications for regional politics and will influence Zimbabwe's trajectory. The success of the summit will depend on several factors, including the level of political stability during the event and the government's respect for human rights. The outcomes will also shape SADC's role in the region. The summit presents both challenges and opportunities for Zimbabwe, testing the government's commitment to regional stability and human rights. The aftermath of the summit will reveal much about Zimbabwe's future and will impact its relationship with SADC and the international community.